Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our amazing reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of educational toys with the 8/12 Colors Magical Water Floating Student Painting Brush Whiteboard Markers Pen Suspension Kids Educational Painting Pen Toys. These incredible markers are not your ordinary art supplies. They are designed to float on water, making them perfect for all kinds of creative and educational activities. Whether you're a teacher looking for innovative ways to engage your students, or a parent who wants to encourage their child's artistic abilities, these floating student painting brushes are a must-have. With 8 or 12 vibrant colors to choose from, these markers will bring any piece of artwork to life, and the suspension design adds a whole new level of fun to the creative process. Plus, they're educational too. They can be used for teaching color recognition, fine motor skills, and even science experiments with water tension. Not only are these markers entertaining and educational, but they are also durable and safe for kids to use. Made from high-quality materials, you can trust that these pens will last through countless art projects and creative sessions. They are also non-toxic and easy to clean, making them the perfect addition to any classroom or playroom. So why wait any longer to add these amazing floating student painting brush whiteboard markers to your collection? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible educational toy today. Whether for yourself, your kids, or your students, these markers are sure to inspire creativity and learning in a whole new way. Don't miss out, order now and let the artistic magic begin.